Welcome to Landlord Vision's training tutorials with me, Emmeline Jarvis. In this tutorial, we'll be manually entering a bill and bill payment into Landlord Vision. Like in the previous videos, bills can be added manually in two ways. The first is by using the Quick Add button. The second is by expanding the Expenses section and going to Bills. Enter the bill date and supplier. If the due date is not the same as the billing date, you can set the alternative date here. If you'd like the payment to relate to a certain period, and for that period to show on each invoice, tick the Set Invoice Period flag. Enter the amount and choose the category. If this is a portfolio expense, for example accountant's fees, leave the unit field blank. If it relates to a particular property, choose the unit from the drop-down list. If the expense relates to more than one property, add another item below and again choose the property. Keep going until the bill has been correctly allocated to all units that it relates to. If you would like to upload a copy of the actual bill to this record in Landlord Vision, click on the Attach Files icon and either drag and drop the document on the screen or choose the document from where you have it saved on your device. If this bill has already been paid, you can tick the Paid flag and select the bank account that it was paid from. When you are happy with your bill details, click on Save to take you back to the main bill screen, or click on Save and Add More to keep adding new ones. When an unpaid bill is finally paid, come back to the Bills area, locate the expense, and choose the Add Payments option to record the details. In the next video, we'll be going through configuring portfolio settings. See you next time.